Gavoka, who in his quest to get the votes of young Fijians, is offering to make university all free without any ring fencing around it. In other words, we could have a glut of people who may go off and study a particular subject, may all go off and become accountants, economists, but at the end of it, there's no jobs for them. So what is the point of that level of investment and for them to waste their time? We're seeing he's saying come on, but in fact that is what's happened in the market. We had at one point in time, sir, a glut of people who did accounting. Biman Prasad would know this. People who did accounting, and then they could not find jobs. And there are many other areas. And this is the way, Mr. Speaker, so if you look at the toppers, and the way it's been awarded, it's been based essentially on the labor requirements, the needs that we have. We have a shortage, for example, of marine scientists, of foresters. At one point in time, shortage of nurses. In fact, now there's a shortage of nurses. The professional preference changes in countries like Australia and New Zealand. We have teachers, for example, who want to do what we call the run-of-the-mill type of teaching, but not many in maths and physics, as the Honourable Prime Minister highlighted. We've got more scholarships for people who want to learn in those areas, who want to get qualifications, because there's a shortage of people in those areas. So I think, Mr. Speaker, sir, and again he said, $200 million. Already this year we are allocating $160 million with 9,000 awards. So $200 million is way off the mark if he's going to make university completely free.